Sushi mastery at home. Sounds impossible? Not if you use the right tools. This bamboo sushi making kit has everything you need to make delicious sushi at home. All you need to get for yourself is a little bit of enthusiasm. Made from 100% food-grade bamboo, this sushi kit is suitable for making both furumaki and uromaki. Your kit includes maki maker, 5 beautiful chopsticks, bamboo mats, rice paddle, condiment tray, and avocado spreader. How to use your kit for making uromaki. Step 1. Place down the mat. Step 2. Wet the inside of your maki maker frame and set it on the mat. Step 3. Dampen your hands and add cooked rice inside the maki maker. Fill it halfway up. Step 4. Take the long, thin piece of the maki maker, make sure it's damp, then use the thinnest bit to press down into the rice in order to create a little valley in the middle, where your filling will be placed. Step 5. Place nori sheet into the maki maker. Step 6. Push down the nori sheet into the valley created in the maki maker. Step 7. Place your pre-cut fillings inside the empty valley over the nori sheet. Step 8. Fold the nori sheet to cover up. Step 9. With dampened hands, add more rice to cover up the nori sheet and spread it evenly through the gap. Step 10. Using the flat side top of the maki maker, press down the rice to make it compact. Then gently slide up the maki maker to remove it upwards, while using your thumb to push down the top piece. Step 11. Place the compact rice on the mat, cut it into desired pieces, and enjoy! Order your one sushi kit and start your journey towards sushi mastery.